to talk for days, but now I'm quiet. Want it any other way that you provided. I've been known to hesitate, this time I'm trying. I feel you judge in silence, ay, ay. Think I'm going back to what I know. I've been trying to stop, don't tell me go, yeah. I lost my self-respect and self-control. But if you tell me yes, I'll tell you that I'm trying. I'm in need of everything that you're supplying. Every hope and every dream, I hope you find it, yeah. No, it's never what it seems in this environment. I think we gotta go change the climate. Feel like we gotta move some mountains. I know you heard a lot of things about me, but baby, every single ring a fountain. Tell me every single thing about you. I'm independent, I can do it without.
I don't wanna get a call the last time I felt it. Maybe you could help me.
My heart beat thumping. Everybody got a past, but just don't judge it. Now I'm so exhausted. I've been sleeping till the evening, I can't get off it. I can't trust the process, ay, ay. I think I'm going back to what I know. If I can't tell you stop, don't tell me go. I lost my self-respect and self-control. If I can't tell you yes, don't tell me no. Yeah, nobody understands it. It's feeling premeditated, I've been thinking maybe somebody planned it. I've been heavily medicated, sedated just to give you attention. You told me we'd never make it, I made it, now I feel like a blessing. Getting sunburned, see the tail lines. Summer's over, baby, it's only July. Taking off work to see the sunrise. I'm so in love with you and I can disguise it. Hear the talking through the grapevine. You can search for love, but no, you won't find it. I'm tired of the on and off shit, I gotta find out right now. Do you do this often?